How to delete items from your course and your gradebook in Brightspace. You may have old items that you want to delete from your course and from your gradebook in Brightspace. This can be done in two simple steps. First, let's investigate our gradebook. Use the nav bar to go into the Grade Center to see items that we might want to delete for a clean course. My Grades, Grades, and Manage Grades. In the case of this course, there was some blogs and journals that copied over. We can't use these items in Brightspace and the link is broken, so let's delete them. Let's start with a journal. This journal is called Your Accommodation Preference. It can only be found within the module because there is nothing under the course admin that would house blogs, journals, or wikis. This journal is located in Learning Module 6. Let's go find it. Here we are, Learning Module 6. Your accommodation preference. I know the name, but I can also see that the file is broken. This is the symbol. Using the drop-down box, scroll down and choose Delete Topic. You have options. Remove the topic from content, but keep the associated file or activity in the course, or permanently delete both the topic from content and the associated file or activity from the course. I'm going to permanently delete this item. I understand. Delete. Topic deleted successfully. Step 2 is we need to go back to the gradebook, Grades, and Manage Grades, and delete it within the gradebook. We'll select more actions. Choose Delete. Let's find it again. Here it is, Your Accommodation Preference. Select and delete. I understand. Delete. Deleted successfully. I want to be sure that it's gone, and it is. Using those steps, check your gradebook and be sure that you have all items deleted. With the assignments and the quizzes, you can access those under the course admin. You may also be asked to delete twice. This is just a security measure. However, for items like the blogs, journals, or wikis, you will only be asked to delete once because the link is broken and does not exist. For any questions, please contact Distance Learning at CNM.